Hola! I, Donovan Donovan, and this is my bicycle checking. This is my frame. I was told it was a DK frame. It's been multiple colors as you see. And I don't like it that much, but it works. And
Size.
I don't know the size at all. It just suits me well. Alright, let's start off here. Let's start off here. But second here, we got the grips. I bought these a week ago. I already have a hole. That's great. And they're kink. They're called Kink Ace grips. And then we got some kink bar ends. They're very well. I got them in this really cool like red color. And then for the bar, they got kink Rex bars. You know, you can have because your boy's tall. You know. Got the kink top load stem. You know, it's my first top load stem. It's pretty good. It's not that bad. Alright. Then to the forks. I'm not sure the name of the forks. Okay. They're just black. They work. Alright. And pegs. Got two Fiction True pegs. 4.5. Black. For the front wheel, we got a Cinema something hub. Just know it's Cinema. Has spokes and the rims or rolls as well. And for the tire, we got Odyssey Path Pro tire because your boy's pro. That's it for that. Bearings. I don't know what bearings are. All right. And then for the seat, we got a kink seat. Had this thing for a minute. It still smells great. There's nothing bad there. Has a hole. Not a hole, but a rip. It sucks. It's whatever. For the cranks, I don't know what cranks they are. Pedals, they are Shadow something pedals. Alright. For the chain, it's some black chain that my friend gave me. I don't know the name of it. For the sprocket, it's a Fit key sprocket that I actually know because my friend gave it. And then moving on to the back wheel, we got the Odyssey Path type. Okay, because we're not that pro yet. In the back. Okay. And then for the wheel, we got a Cinema FX free coaster wheel because it's fun. The rim is Cinema 777. Great wheel. You got your spokes, you know. We got a hub. And then for the hub guard, got some guard. It's metal, you know. And for the pegs, we got two Animal Benny pegs in 4.5. And they're great, and they're plastic. And wait. This right here is my helmet. I love her. She keeps me safe. It's
not your fault.
Shadow Conspiracy. Something helmet. It's great. It's black. I love it. And that's it.